Hello everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, so this is the reading for the zodiac sign Taurus for the rest of the month. Okay, it is a timeless reading. Specific month is not required. Okay, this is the reading for desire, direction, and detail. What is the desire? What is the direction you want to take, or you should take, and what are the details of it? Okay. So one important thing, guys, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to support my channel with the help of donation via Google Pay and PayPal, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to learn 10 days online tarot learning workshop, how one card resonates with another card, what are the meanings of tarot cards, and how also if you want to learn numerology, also the details are given in the description box below. The fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to be a part of Vasol giveaway, so you have to like my channel, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for all the entering, like if you want to enter into Vasol giveaway, the details are given in the description box below, the procedure of it, the steps of it, so kindly check it out. Okay, and last but not the least, I just want to tell you that I am doing daily live sessions on my Facebook page, Vasol Tarot Prediction. So if you want, you can join me daily between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay, so yes, guys, so let's check out what is the desire, what is the direction, and what are the details of Taurus. Okay, desire is the magician, manifestation. Direction is communication, and details are hanged man. Okay, so guys, I feel take it however it resonates, related to career, related to relationship, in whichever you want to take. It's just a general reading. Okay, so take it however it resonates, related to your career either, or else relationship. Okay, let me check it out. What is your desire? Desire is the magician. So you are desiring or manifesting something. Manifesting what? Let me ask the universe. You are manifesting what? You are manifesting Queen of Pentacles. You want a stability, financial stability. Okay, a lot of stability you want. It's a grounding energy. So you are desiring a lot of abundance financially, and being highly intuitive when it comes to your decision making, or you are thinking about it, contemplating it. This is your desire. Okay, yes, you want financial abundance, working for it. You want some kind of offer when related to money, financial things. Okay, so some sort of big offer you are manifesting, you are desiring it. Okay, and I think this is on the way. Okay, this desire is definitely on the way. Okay, and let's see what's going on with direction. Okay, some sort of a movement needs to take place for your direction. Okay, a lot of toxic energy, toxic situation, toxic cycle is definitely there in your direction. Okay, and you want to move away from it because you are having a lot of sleepless nights. Okay, anxiety issues, confusion, problems, pain. Okay, and you are waiting for some sort of materialistic success. Okay, money related things. But I feel unless and until you don't wait for the cycle, there is some sort of karmic cycle is taking place. Until unless you don't wait for the ending of that cycle, the sleepless nights won't be released, this emotional pain won't be released. So let it end, let it completely end, because I feel this waiting will end. That the waiting which you are doing when it comes to your materialistic world will only be completed when some sort of when once you move away from this toxic energy, toxic cycle. Okay, that is your direction. And let me check it out for detail. I think you are hanged up with something, for sure. Hanged up, stuck energy is definitely there. The World card is there. Ending of some toxic situation, toxic relationship, toxic cycle, and establishing, building up of new cycle. Okay, you have to release. Universe is telling me you have to release all this confusion, release all this conflicts which is into your head. Okay, release all this whatever is going on into your mental health, it is not good for you. Okay, so release all those things. Okay, gain a lot of clarity. Okay, be patient enough with the situation, whatever is happening, just be patient, wait for the right time, because divine timing is playing its role. Okay, be enthusiastic, don't feel weak. There will be one divine timing is taking place, and at divine timing you can take an action and you can regain your power back, and you can start working on building up your own empire. Okay, and it will only come when there will be ending of a bad situation, toxic cycle, toxic relationship, whatever it is. Some of the toxicity will be removed, only then this kind of situation will come where you will rebuild your action, you will rebuild your passion, you will rebuild your courage to work towards your finances, towards your empire. Okay, with some sort of movement. Okay, so then there will be no holding back with your finances and income. Okay, so just wait for the right time, right moment. Okay, that is what universe is trying to say, because this is a detailed reading. Okay, when it comes to your finances, definitely it is, either talking about your finances mostly, because there are a lot of pentacles are definitely there. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is a career reading. Okay, so take it however it resonates, and I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One more important thing, guys, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, and if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.